Hey folks, Keith with 93 Lumber coming back at you with another beer, a growler, a 32-ounce growler from Conclave, proper glassware. This is a collab with Oddbird. It is Birds of a Feather. It is an English-style barley wine, and it is 9.7% alcohol by volume. I gotta take this off first. So yeah. I picked this up. Today is Monday. I picked this up on Saturday. Life has been... come on. Where's my... There it is. Life's been kind of crazy lately. Not crazy, just busy and like no time for anything and feeling like shit all the time. And yeah. Oh yeah. I do have an Oddbird glass, but I wanted to drink it out of this. Now I'm just realizing that I could have had proper glassware on both sides, Conclave and Oddbird. But I really wanted to drink it out of this oversized snifter. So, yeah. That's kind of got apple cider vibes. Yeah. Not much of a head on it. I tried to pour it. I didn't try to pour it. I poured it gently because it's a growler and such. But, yeah. Got a tannish head on there. That's probably about a quarter of a finger, maybe not even. It is cold because it's a growler. I didn't take it out of the fridge beforehand. I'm kind of regretting that right now. But, we'll get into it. But yeah. Yeah, maybe a little darker than apple cider. Maybe, and there's like, it's like brownish with some orange in there. Yeah, maybe a little bit of red. It looks nice. Let's see what it smells like. It's too fucking cold. That's what it is. That's what it smells like. I was getting a little bit of alcohol. I was getting a soft, kind of dark fruit, but stone fruit, a little bit of stone fruit as well. It was very small, so it's hard to tell. There is a sweetness to this that is reminding me of something that, can you guess, that I cannot recall. Come on, warm up just a little bit. Like a jam? Some sort of jam. Or... I also didn't take it out of the fridge early because I didn't know if I was actually doing this because, Yeah. It does smell good. But let's see what it tastes like. Cheers. I can't tell if it's too cold and everything's like because I'm getting a little bit on the backside, on the finish, I should say. I'm getting a little bit of like a nutty bitterness. And it tastes way less sweet than what I was expecting it to be. Based on the nose. Yeah. There's like a I'm glad I said stone fruit in the aroma, because this leans like apricot-y. This leans apricot. And then there's a sweetness after that kind of nutty bitterness that's like, I don't know, caramel or something. I feel like once this warms up a little bit, it's going to be amazing. Because it's pretty good right now. It's not throwing any it's not throwing any heavy punches. There's like a citrus thing to it too. It's very interesting. And I regret having it being this cold while I review it. Now I don't want to even post this or finish this review. But I'm going to. For the fans. Whoever that is. Because nobody's watching my videos anymore. I think it's a YouTube thing. Again. Yeah, there's a little more, as it warms up, there's a little more like dark fruit thing in there. There's a little bit of cherry. There is a little bit of, cherry was the one thing I got. And now it's leading into that nutty, kind of, that nutty bitterness thing in the finish. I'm not getting that sweetness at the end anymore. I got it on the first couple of sips. So I just got the caramel thing, but it's not as sweet as it was on those first few sips. So it's still there. It's just not coming off as sweet. As it did on those first few sips, which is weird or something. I don't know. Yeah. Cherry, then like a apricot stone fruit-ish thing. Maybe like, I know plum is a stone fruit. It's got a fucking stone. A little bit of plum. Maybe that's not cherry. Maybe that's plum. Maybe it's a little bit of both. I don't know. My mouth is kind of dry now, though. Makes me want to keep drinking it. I do know that they're barrel aging some of this. So they released the base. They've got some in barrels. And I feel like it's going to be good. Even though I'm like, I can't drink anymore because I feel like shit. So I got to stop doing all the things to make myself feel better. But there is a difference between doing what I should do and doing what I want to do. But I probably won't stop drinking completely. I don't even have to add this to this video. I was going to do another video, but whatever. So yeah. Yeah. I don't know. It's very interesting. I really enjoy it. Yeah. And I'm looking forward to it warming up a little bit more. And I'm looking forward to the, because I could see this being really, he didn't say, I'm assuming it's bourbon barrels of some sort. He didn't say specifically though, so maybe it's something else. I don't know. But I could see, this being really nice bourbon barrel aged. I could see this probably being a nice, the way that like cherry plum apricot thing, like a apple brandy barrel. I could see that being kind of nice too. Yeah. They should take a little bit and age it in every single kind of barrel. That's what I say. All right, I gotta go now. I need dinner and go to sleep. So yeah, thanks for hanging out. Hope you're doing well, taking care of yourselves, taking care of each other. You can like this video if you'd like to. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You can follow me on Instagram at 93lumber. That's spelled out 93lumber. And we will see you in the next one. Cheers.